Say my mother was a Bolshevik. She uh, she died at least 21, 31, at least 10 or 15 years after Stalin did, but you couldn't convince her that Stalin was dead. That's the kind of Bolshevik she was. So, as I say, I learned to read Yiddish before I went to Shule. How did I learn to read Yiddish? From the Morgenfreiheit. Moshe Nadel wrote a frequent column called Pain in the Nickel, and my father would read it to me, and I would follow the letters and learn to read that way. So politics was part of everything.